Hey, what's up, everyone? Alright, so we're gonna be spending. I just want to make this a hashtag shorts. We will be using our Robux, and we will. Uh-oh. Wrong. Purchasing. Yay. Wasn't supposed to happen. Now, I've done the math, and I have to buy these. I literally have to buy these 10 packs. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. But I don't want to spend Robux, but I want to get this over with. But I want to spend Robux, don't want to spend Robux, don't have any Robux. Oh gosh, I guess I'll just buy it. Purchased one ticket. Alright, I guess I'll do it again. I'm gonna do it again. The ticket, so. Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Yeesh. That's a big patch. Alright, let's buy this one. Wait. Did I just get scammed by On It? Wait, no, I didn't. My balance is only 539. Are you kidding me? Could buy more. Don't know if I should. If I could. If I do this, I'll only have a balance of 139. Don't know if I could use that or not. Y'all didn't see what happened. I literally accidentally opened up the wrong game. Literally opened up the wrong game. Are you kidding me? Alright, 307. Whoops. Didn't mean to. Wrong thingy. 139. I don't care at this point. And then we can go over here. I think I'm gonna keep that 139. Now we are at probably 6 days or whatever. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Hashtag shorts, rip my Robux. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.